All right, I like this guy here. This is the area, or calculating the area of a compound shape. All right. Once again, we look at our formula sheet. You're not going to find this shape. So what you got to do in a compound shape is you have to dissect it. You have to break it into little shapes that you know. And then what you got to do is you got to find the area of each of those individual little shapes. So there are some ways that you can subdivide this. I want to show you how I did this. A lot of these questions you can do this more than one way. I want you to know that ahead of time. You can do this more than one way, but you're only going to get one answer correct. Even if you did this more than one way, you shouldn't get two different answers. You will get one answer. What I would have done in this is I would have dissected it this way. I would have come across here like this, and then I would have come across here right here. So now what I'm looking at using arrows is I got a triangle there, I got a rectangle there, and then down here, I got another rectangle. Now you'll say, oh, well, that kind of looks like a square. Remember, what happens is you need to find the measurements before you call it what it is. If I look at the one down at the bottom, this is 3 by 2. That means the sides are different. That means it's a rectangle. So the area of this guy is 3 times 2, which is going to be 6. Now when I find the rectangle in the middle, notice the rectangle in the middle here, okay? When I do the math, this guy's 2. So I'm going to multiply 2 by, I need to know how long this guy is. So then I have to go through and I have to add up all my pieces. And when I add up all my pieces, from here to here is 3. From here to here is 2, because this is 2 right there. And from here to here is 2. So 3 plus 2 plus 2 is going to add up to be 7. So this triangle right here is, this rectangle is 2 by 7. And 2 times 7 is going to give me 14. Last but not least, I got a triangle. Now remember, the triangle's area is found by taking half of the base times the height. So now the base of the triangle that I see right here, the base of this guy right there is 2. Half of 2 is 1, multiplied by the height, which is 3, and 1 times 3 gives us 3 for this guy. So now I got my 3 regions that I have. The triangle is a 3, the middle rectangle is a 14, the bottom rectangle is a 6. I add them up, and now my combined area will be 23, and since there are no units, it's a unit squared. All right, so 23 units squared is the combined area of this compound shape. And this is all I have to do when I have a shape that I'm not familiar with or it's not on my formula sheet. Just break it down into little shapes that you know how to calculate the area for. That's it. I hope you found this video both helpful and informative.